So basis on the previous topic clipper, you can just make one table in which all clipper are defined. So how can you design one table? First of all, you define the clipper, and then you can define first two types: positive clipper and negative clipper. So first of all, in case of positive clipper, positive cut, so your output for positive clipper is input and positive cut. So positive is 0 voltage, only negative will be there. In case of negative clipper, negative clipper means negative cut. So negative cut means negative is equal to 0 and positive will remain as it is. So whatever kind of circuit diagram available over here, output will be fixed. Whatever kind of circuit diagram available for negative clipper, output is fixed. So consider positive. Positive clipper, there are two type of positive series and positive parallel. So now second part, series and parallel. So you can define another two part. You can define another two part for the negative. Series, parallel. So in case of series, output voltage at positive is 0. So in first half cycle, first positive cycle, output is not present. So you can draw the diagram like that. Series, diode is series with R. In case of parallel, positive parallel clipper, in positive cycle, output is 0. So you can draw the diagram like that. So complete the cycle with source voltage. Plus part apply over here, diode is off, no output 0. Plus part apply over here, diode is short, no output is equal to 0. So positive series clipper or positive parallel clipper, circuit diagram output remains same. In case of series, so you have to just change the direction of your diode. So in this case, when plus part apply over here, diode is on, input equal to output, input equal to output. In negative cycle, diode off, output is 0, output is 0. In positive cycle, diode is off. So input is totally available at output. So output is equal to input, output is equal to input. In case of negative cycle, plus minus plus apply to diode, diode is on, so diode is short, output across 0. So in this manner you can design one full table. In this case, totally 4 types of clipper are present. So basically this circuit diagram same output, this two circuit diagram same output. Okay, let me know in the comment section that which topic is harder for you understand in this subject. Okay, so thank you.